My name is Don Diamond. I'm a professor of hematology at City of Hope. My education was in the laboratory of Howard Goodman, where I was a graduate student, first at UCSF and then at Harvard Medical School. I then did fellowships at MIT in the laboratory of the Nobel laureate Susumu Tonegawa, and then at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute. While at City of Hope since 1989, I have published over 150 peer-reviewed papers, am the recipient of 30 patents and multiple licenses for my inventions, while starting 3 companies based on my inventions. My laboratory developed a synthetic platform referred to by the acronym MVA as a vaccine vehicle for a variety of indications, both infectious diseases such as SARS, MERS, Ebola, and our current candidate against COVID-19. It can also be used for cancer indications and many others that one just has to think about. So here is some studies that we did some time ago that illustrates the power of our vaccine platform. On the left is a published study in transplant in which we protected recipients of transplants against the herpes virus cytomegalovirus. And on the right is an interesting study in which we treated women with triple-negative breast cancer that had metastasized. In the example shown, there is a remarkable remission that we are proud of, and 6 further women who were treated using this platform had double their overall survival. Turning to some of the new applications of the platform, we are focused on a universal vaccine against cytomegalovirus. This vaccine proposal would encompass both transplant as well as congenital infection, both rather large markets and of value for pharma and biotech. In fact, the global vaccine market is rapidly increasing, over $60 billion in 2020 worldwide and $24 billion in the United States. The major funders in the United States, such as BARDA, and worldwide, such as CEPI, are very interested in vaccine platforms that are versatile and that can be reused, as FDA is eager to approve vaccines against indications using platforms such as ours. I now want to focus on some interim data of a current phase 1 clinical trial of our vaccine candidate against SARS-CoV-2. Shown on this slide is interesting data that demonstrate that our vaccine is immunogenic and active against the spike antigen, the major target of the immune response, as well as nucleocapsid, which differentiates our vaccine from others, as we have 2 antigens in our product. Both at the low dose called DL1 and at the middle dose DL2, we have strong immunogenicity, in fact stronger than what has been measured in a variety of individuals receiving the EUA vaccine. Most importantly are neutralizing titers. They indicate the ability to be protected. Our vaccine protects against not only the American circulating D614G strain, but the UK strain, as well as the South African strain. And once again, our intermediate dose looks like a good dose to exploit for healthy populations, both in the United States and worldwide. Turning to the T-cell response, our vaccine shines. And here we show very strong the Th1 response, which is preferred both against spike and nucleocapsid, both equal to or better than the EUA Pfizer vaccine, with a very low Th2, which is the non-preferred response. So why is this important now? It's because there is a worldwide desire and need to address pandemics. And it's estimated that over $200 billion will be spent to address these important situations, as revealed by Gary Becker, a former Nobel Prize recipient. The status of our program is that we are scheduling an end of phase 1 meeting with the FDA to plan next steps. We have a couple of phase 2 trials in consideration by the FDA. We're scaling up manufacturing for larger scale trials, and our data in humans reflects our very positive animal data. So to advance our platform and the vaccines that we have developed from it, we're looking for a pharma biotech partner to help us advance the program. We're also interested in speaking investors, hedge funds, to once again advance the platform and all of its opportunities, including our current one with COVID-19. Thank you for your consideration of our platform and all of its opportunities. Contacts for both technical and partnering are myself, and for licensing and terms, Christoph Pittius of the City of Hope. Thank you.